From the Mumbai studios of Republic TV, it's time for Arnab Goswami on The Debate.
Ladies and gentlemen, the ones who tried to push the suicide and depression theory, the ones who tried to bury the truth about Disha's murder, the ones who tried to blame Sushant after his death and do a lot of articles about how suicidal he was, and some of those who said, interestingly, people very close to Rhea Chakrabarti who said they knew he would end up like Parveen Babi. Did you say that, Mahesh Bhatt? How did you know? How did you know, Mahesh Bhatt? Viewers, all the people who spread the lies, it's game over for them. They will be answerable. If not to the law, then to their conscience. And tonight, as the CBI takes over, the ED begins scrutinizing incriminating documents. This channel, which they all targeted, for simply being tenacious and persistent, which I believe are attributes important in journalism. The Republic Media Network, your network's SIT, once again brings you 3 sting operations and explosive call detail records that expose the cover-up.
"53 days after Sushant Singh Rajput's mysterious death and after 19 days of non-stop Republic Media Network investigation, the CBI Special Investigation Unit has filed an FIR in the case. And accused number 1 in the FIR is Rhea Chakrabarti.
Highlighted the several inconsistencies that have been seen in various testimonies of people who were supposed to be close to Sushant Singh Rajput. For instance, you have had Sandeep Singh, then you've had a person called Siddharth Pithani. Their accounts become extremely crucial because we have highlighted how their statements are quite inconsistent. So perhaps in the days to come, one would look at the Central Bureau of Investigation looking into these areas that have already been highlighted by Republic Media Network.
But where is Rhea? Republic Media Network's SIT is on her trail.
चक्रवर्ती मैडम आई है?
नहीं आई।
अब तक नहीं आई है?
कहाँ आई?
कितने दिन से नहीं आई है?
10 दिन हो गया। आज से 10-11 दिन हो गया। उसी दिन आसपास में जो गया है नया ही है। 10 दिन ऊपर हो गया।
कितने दिन से ज़्यादा हो गए?
10 दिन से ऊपर।
उनका परिवार का कोई आया था यहाँ पर?
नहीं, कोई नहीं। सब
She's supposed to present herself before the Enforcement Directorate tomorrow. But will she appear?
मुझे नहीं लगता कि ईडी के सामने आएंगी, क्योंकि उनको इस बात की जबरदस्त आशंका है कि उनको पकड़ लिया जाएगा, गिरफ्तार कर लिया जाएगा। वो तो कहते हैं हमको गिरफ्तार मत कीजिए, उनको गिरफ्तार कर लिया जाएगा। वो तो हमेशा से शुरू से संदेह के घेरे में है।
Another person named in CBI FIR is Samuel Miranda, Sushant's house manager who was appointed by Rhea. He faced the ED today but was tight-lipped when questioned by journalists.
सुशांत की डेथ को लेकर बहुत सारी बातें कही जा रही है। आप अगर कुछ क्लेरिफाई करना चाहें तो। ऐसा भी कहा जा रहा है कि आप रिया के साथ मिलकर काम कर रहे थे, आपको रिया ने अपॉइंट किया था।
सैमुअल, तो रात में क्या बात हुई थी, आपसे क्या पूछताछ की गई थी रात भर?
In the last few days, his whereabouts were under cloud. Was he following the Mumbai police's advice?
क्या पूछताछ की गई थी रात भर?
Police, Brenda is there at home.
Brenda is there at home. And Samuel?
Samuel is not. Mother, father, they are telling now he spoke to the brother. He spoke to the wife also.
What are they saying?
They are saying that police has told not to speak to anybody.
Police has told not to speak to anybody. That's why they are not opening doors.
Yeah. Now you ask this, you go to Sar police station.
And ask.
Even Sushant's call records, accessed exclusively by Republic Media Network, exposes Ria's contradictions.
He's giving contradictory statement. In the first place, I've been repeatedly saying that she says that she had temporarily left Sushant Rajput's residence on 8th of June. And in between, the CDR suggests that there were no calls between Rhea Chakrabarti and Sushant Rajput from 8th to 14th. But the mobile phone that was accessed by the police suggests that in the midnight of 13th, there was a call made by Sushant Rajput to Rhea Chakrabarti, trying that maybe she would have unblocked his number.
With the CBI now officially taking over, it's game over for the cover-up gang. Let's debate.
Ravi Srivastava, I feel sorry for you. Today, in a way, I think, Shweta, we all feel sorry for Ravi Srivastava today. Because everything he wanted is gone. And most importantly, there is a very strong prospect of the arrest of Rhea Chakrabarti. And through that, the whole cartel will open up. And you know, the charges right now of criminal conspiracy, abetment, wrongful restraint, wrongful confinement, criminal breach of trust, cheating and criminal intimidation. But you know, the reason I feel sorry for Ravi is because the real charge of murder will then come up now. I wonder what face he will have right now. So the CBI has taken up the case.
It will not. It will not. You are sadly mistaken.
Rhea will be arrested. Rhea will be arrested.
Whatever you are telling is not a truth, is not a fact. It has to be substantiated. It has to be supported by incontrovertible evidences.
Whose spokesperson are you, Ravi?
You cannot say somebody is accused. It's only accused. You cannot make somebody a charged one.
Mr. Srivastava, are you the CBI?
Incorrect. No,
people
sir.
like you are the one who are doing the cover-up. You are the people who have been doing the cover-up. You have been the.
But I want to tell you.
Don't get personal with me, please. You come on the facts. Talk the facts. Talk about the truth.
Your cover-up story, the days are over now. Enough of your cock and bull stories that you've been trying to spin.
You talk about it.
I wanted to congratulate you.
They
you don't have. Are you the CBI? Now the CBI will be probing the case. Why are you getting flattered? Why are you having sleepless nights? You tried very hard to say that everything is fine. Now the CBI special. Do you realize the unit is specialized in investigating crimes like these? Now the forensics will be done. Now the entire truth will come out. Now the forensics will be done.
They are not still handed over the probe by the lie detector. They are doing the investigation on FIR.
You and all the cover-up gang should be scared today.
Is only
you should be bothered about the fact.
Why, Satish? 1 minute, Swapnil. In this matter, I find now. That Satish Manishinde, advocate for Rhea Chakrabarti and most of Bollywood, has said that the CBI, being a premier investigating agency, and this is breaking news, should desist from taking any further steps pending Supreme Court proceedings. Apart from the same, unless the Maharashtra government agrees to CBI, it is illegal for the CBI to do anything. And if the CBI does anything, the federal structure of the constitution will be challenged. So now Rhea Chakrabarti, very interesting, Swapnil. Let me conclude this, viewer. Rhea Chakrabarti, someone sent me what she had tweeted. Not Rhea, what's your name? Not Rhea, Ravi. Not Rhea, Ravi.
Some states have debarred the entry of the CBI.
I want to tell you that Rhea Chakrabarti said, not long back, I request you, Amit Shah sir, with folded hands, I am Sushant Singh Rajput's girlfriend and I want justice. I request you, Shri Amit Shah, with folded hands to have a CBI inquiry into the matter. Amit Shah, I want to know why Sushant died. So here you are, Riya Chakrabarti. Your gift is granted. Your gift is granted. Amit Shah has listened to your request and he's investigating the matter. But what are you panicking about? One second. Listen, chill. You were the one who wanted a CBI investigation. You as in, not Riya, not you. Now Riya got what she wanted.
Let the Mumbai police complete investigation. Let them bring out the facts. They will bring it out before the Honorable Supreme Court day after tomorrow.
Mr. Srivastava, I've heard you now. Let me speak.
I think Riya is worried about being arrested, Swapnil.
Yes, absolutely, Arnab. I've never laughed so much at the most implausible and the most ludicrous argument ever made, that the federal structure of the constitution will be destroyed if CBI continues pursuant to Bihar state government's order, and we have to wait till the Supreme Court. I'm sorry, the Supreme Court did not bar CBI. There was nowhere in the order ever written that CBI should not continue until I give the order. Sorry, Mr. Srivastava.
Are you aware?
Riya Chakraborty is aware. Mr. Srivastava, please.
I think the breaking news is, I would like to tell my news desk, the appropriate breaking news is to our news editors. Breaking news is Riya Chakraborty : India's federal structure under threat. Riya Chakraborty : India's federal structure will come under threat if Sushant's death is investigated by CBI. Well done, Satish Manishinde. Well done, Satish Manishinde. That's really what I call, common language, we call it DESPO. Short form for desperate. Yes, please. Yes, please. Very desperate. Very desperate.
It's absolutely
very desperate. Yeah, Shweta wants to come in. Shweta, why are all these people so quiet today? You're not going to be arrested, Surendra Chauhan. Why are you behaving like you're going to be arrested? It's all right. I know you're looking bad.
From the very beginning,
yes, Shweta.
From the very beginning, Arnab, people have tried. From the very beginning, Arnab, people have tried to kill evidence, to influence the entire investigation of the case. In fact, my request to CBI and the higher authorities is going to be that most of these people on whose behest Mumbai police was working need to be filed as a co-accused in this entire case. And this is how this case shall go. Right now, if you look at the FIR, if you see the FIR, they have picked up the Bihar FIR and filed the FIR, which is only the investigating angle for money laundering case. But this has to start from Disha Salian's death, and
Surendra Chauhan is debating
as a murder. Again and again, every single person has lied. Evidence has been regularly killed.
Chauhan.
Come on, Ravi. First and foremost, you need to.
I raise a question.
Here, and who are you hiding?
I raise a question. 1 minute, young lady, 1 minute.
Why you are silent?
1 minute, young lady. You are raising a question.
Her name is Shweta Shalini and she is the spokesperson of the Maharashtra BJP, please.
All right.
Young man.
All right,
Young man, her name is Shweta Shalini and she is the spokesperson of the Maharashtra BJP, young man.
All right. Agreed. Understood. Miss Shweta Shalini ji, I raise a question to you. In India, law of land prevails,
yes, sir, I'm listening.
or your perception prevails? Your perception prevails.
This is a third-class argument.
Just simply answer. Tell to the nation.
It's a third-class argument.
No, it is not. It is not.
Sir,
here in India, even if a state,
with the greatest of respect, it's a third-class argument.
Even if state is a zero FIR has to go.
People like you need to wipe the egg on their face. Please understand, you were the people making arguments against sending the case to CBI. So please
are not aware of the law of the land.
That's it.
You are not aware of the law of the land. Sorry to say. Sorry to say, you are not aware. By your pressure, your things are not going to change. Things are not going to change.
Can I, Mr. Srivastava, tell you what, the law of the land is known to all the legal luminaries around. How can you be the custodian of all the laws that you keep
like to.
Coming and shouting from rooftops.
I'd like to.
The problem is that you are rattled. Your entire cover-up lobby is rattled today because CBI has decided to investigate this case, and the skeletons will tumble out. That's your problem tonight. Arnab, the problem is this. Now the skeletons will come out of the cupboard. That's the reason why I was worried. Why people are in the cover-up gang is rattled today. You are having
there is no skeleton. There is no skeleton concern.
Okay, I'd like to get. May I please say, I want to present some arguments. I'd like to go to Shreya and Ashish Dikshit and Sanjay Gupta and Sumit Verma. And I always talk about, Rajat, I talk about grace under pressure. And I also believe in grace at a moment of defeat. Those on the program like Surendra Chauhan and Ravi Srivastava have taken their defeat personally to heart. Have grace at a moment of defeat, right?
There is no defeat. There is no defeat.
Sure.
There is no defeat.
Sure. May I get Shreya in? May I get Shreya in to make her introductory remarks, and then maybe I follow up with a question.
You will fail in that perception.
Yes, Shreya.
What a victory it is that while Mr.
It will be done in the court only.
Let her speak, Shreya.
Arnab, what a victory it is that while Mr. Srivastava, what a victory it is, Mr. Srivastava. Mr. Srivastava, please listen to me. Mr. Srivastava.
You're making all false claims here. Nothing.
Mr. Srivastava, what a victory it is that a person like you who was actually caught between jurisdictions, between Patna and Mumbai, CBI has actually gone ahead and registered a case. What a triumph it is, and what a restoration of faith in the justice system it is. We are fully aware of the Delhi Special Police Establishment Act, under which CBI, when it is referred by a state, any case, CBI has the power to decide whether it even registers the case. But it has actually gone ahead and registered a case. So this is actually a triumph of people, and you are lost between jurisdictions even now. So it's really a case of sour grapes. It's really a case of sour grapes for you.
Well, Sumit wanted to come something. Sumit Verma. Ravi, don't take it personally. ED hasn't come after you yet. ED hasn't come after you yet. Now, can the carte blanche which was given to Sandeep Singh, for example, Sumit, with the CBI intervening, that's Ashish, Sumit, with the CBI investigating, can that carte blanche given to Sandeep Singh continue? I have on record multiple testimonies saying on how finding out about Disha Salian, Sushant called Sandeep Singh and said everything that he knew about how Disha died. But Sandeep Singh came on my program, Ashish, and he said, I was not in touch with Sushant for the last few months. That cannot be covered up. Sandeep Pitani's role. A man allowed to travel 700 kilometers from Mumbai to Hyderabad and allowed to start a new company and a new business, no cross-questioning happening. Can that happen anymore? Riya Chakrabarti, lead number 3.
Is yet to transfer the Maharashtra investigation to CBI, though I have always held that there cannot be two parallel probes, and the Supreme Court can transfer.
Why aren't you arguing the case on merit?
CBI,
argue the case on merit with me, no? Sumit, if you have the guts, argue the case on merit.
I'm only giving a legal perspective.
No, legal perspective includes merit.
As on today,
there is don't talk administrative with me. Talk merit. I want to discuss the merit of the case. I want to discuss the merit of the case. I want to discuss the merit of the case, sir. I know law. I want to discuss the merits of the case. Swapnil, we want to discuss merits of the case. I am saying today, 1 minute, wait a minute.
I agree with you.
Hey, listen.
Sumit, please don't discuss all these things.
Swapnil, he's trying to confound it in some legalese. ये भागने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं स्वप्निल.
Must interrogate all the aspects.
So now, Sumit, if you allow me to speak, Sumit, there is no point heckling. All I am trying to say is that do not confound each other.
I'm absolutely quiet, my
into
dear.
unnecessary legalese and unnecessary nonsense. We have to stick to the facts of the case. There are these sting operations which Republic TV has done. We have to go by them. We cannot keep on pushing the envelope and brush them under the carpet and say that the CBI will need to come into the picture and will need to reinvestigate it. It's right there before them. That is the reason why CBI has come into the picture, because the Mumbai police had hid them under the carpet. it is still saying that Disha's files have been erased.
CBI is yet to come into the picture. CBI has only taken over the Patna FIR. I'm sorry, you're wrong. CBI has, as on today, only taken over the Patna investigation. Supreme Court is yet to...
And has named 6 accused.
My point is, tomorrow...
People are jumping the gun for no reason.
Sorry,
people are jumping the gun for no reason.
Mumbai police has not even filed an FIR. So please don't confuse the viewers. There is no FIR in Mumbai to take over.
All those aspects need to be investigated.
There is no FIR in Mumbai to take over.
Sitting in the television studio.
So that is the only FIR that CBI can take.
There has to be substantive.
Because the Mumbai police has been absolutely derelict.
Report of 5 doctors is completely false and it's completely meaningless. That has to be substantiated by a further investigative
agency. It is fake.
And in case
the post-mortem report is also fake. And you will see that coming.
Not a suicide.
You will see that coming out.
A finger
it is all fake.
On those 5 doctors who held the medical board, who have opined in
that is all fake.
That
is all fake, and you will see it. You will see it. You will see it.
Okay, see,
the Mumbai police doesn't have an FIR.
Shreya, what you are saying, Rajat, Shreya wants to say something. Shreya and then Rajat, yeah, Shreya.
Mr. Sumit, Mumbai police filed a UD which it could have converted into FIR after 24 hours. So by law, it should have converted the UD which it filed. In next 24 hours, it could have filed a FIR. But for 50 days, it did not file a FIR.
Sumit.
No, the FIR was just filed in Patna.
And there is no 24-hour
and also you know that every time, why we all know 174 CRPC, Mr. Sumit. So when you are talking about the law, you should also know that Delhi Special Police Establishment Act, it allows CBI that whenever a state has asked for a case to be transferred, it can take a decision whether it wants to take a case or not.
So the matter is of choice.
Because the Maharashtra
Shreya has a brilliant argument. Listen, Sumit, listen. Shreya has come out with a brilliant argument. Let me tell you the premise of Sumit, listen. So Sumit, Shreya has presented a superior argument, and as a lawyer, a practicing lawyer, when you are faced with a superior argument, you must pay a compliment and say, Shreya, you came up with a superior argument. Now, question here is, Sumit, what is the premise of her superior argument? The premise of her superior argument is in a 6-letter word called intent.
That's for your understanding.
The premise of her argument is in a 6-letter word called intent. What is the intent of the Mumbai police? What will the court look at? Swapnil, Rajat, the court will look at the intent of the Mumbai. Has the Mumbai police displayed any intent? The Mumbai police which says gravity does not work in Mumbai, body is hanged diagonally. The Mumbai police which did not do anything on the Disha Salia and Sushant Singh link.
Entire investigation of
come on, passing off a poor inquest as an investigation.
There is no FIR.
Supreme Court will indict Maharashtra and would transfer the investigation to CBI.
There is no FIR that the Mumbai police has filed. There is only one FIR in the case now.
Maharashtra police is a professional investigation. Still, Supreme Court can under Article 142.
No, abhi wo time chala gaya.
To CBI, because in this case, there is a prayer made by victims as well as
we'll have to.
From day one, I've held that
Rajat is on the debate.
And there has to be one single investigating agency.
Rajat is on the debate. Rajat.
As on today, has only stepped in.
Rajat.
Patna had no jurisdiction to investigate the FIR.
The jurisdiction argument is gone. Question is intent.
Please keep that jurisdiction argument to yourself. We have heard that.
No, it's still there.
It's cognizant of that. Please
don't hide behind it.
Because the foundation
question is of intent.
The foundation is Patna case. So if your foundation is not correct, the CBI FIR
Ashish and Rajat.
illegal.
That has been
Mumbai police is so deeply politicized just to save the government that they have
the foundation of the building is not strong. You may build how many floors you want, but it will not serve the purpose. So what has happened? The Patna FIR, which is out of jurisdiction, which could not have been registered, and Patna government has asked for this CBI transfer. So the legality remains.
Louder please, Rajat.
Could not be registered. CBI
listen to other voices. Let me tell you, Arnab, I wanted to bring a point that when the entire nation rallied against the Unnao case and Kuldeep Sengar's case, it was the UP government which very willfully said that Kuldeep's case is not a political case. This case is against what crime he did. It was peacefully handed over to the CBI. so that proper justice is delivered. This case is exactly the same where the Mumbai police will have the shame and the Mumbai government, Maharashtra government should have had the shame to gracefully hand it over to the CBI. Now they haven't gracefully handed it over. Now the critical question before us is the legality of it. And I can tell you that with whosoever, I'm sure Mumbai police is going to argue it out in the Supreme Court, and we will see as to how that argumentation goes. But Mumbai police has a bigger task. They first have to prove before the Supreme Court, and the nation's glare is going to be there. They will observe everything that the Mumbai police is going to say. Mumbai police will be exposed like never before. In its 70, 80 years of the existence of Mumbai police, this is the most embarrassing moment for the police. I'm getting a lot of reactions, Rajat. Rajat, you know, one thing is there. You think all of us, can I have 30 seconds, please? All of us today are well-aware people. We may have our prejudices. I am the most prejudiced man because I'm completely prejudiced for the truth here. I only have a simple question lay people are asking. Ye legal mat pucho. 164, 174, CRP, CIPC, ye wo, theek hai. Swapnil is laughing. Swapnil, I'm not ignorant of it completely. I wanted to be a lawyer. I couldn't be, so I became a TV anchor. But that's another story. I'll tell you another time. Yes. I still think I should sometimes become a lawyer. But abhi kya kare? Now I'm too old to get that qualification, I guess. So maybe I will sometime.
You're doing a much better job than most of us.
I feel like, you know, because I feel people, lawyers like Sumit don't take me seriously because I don't have an LLB degree. मैं LLB degree करूँगा.
Seriously, Sumit, you better take Arnab.
मैं LLB करूँगा. I'll get black robes and I'll come. But my question is the lay question.
He knows a lot more. Trust me, Sumit. I'm telling you.
No. I have a simple question. My simple question is, so much love, faith. Listen to me, Sanjay ji, 2 minute रुकिए. इतना विश्वास हिंदी में बोलूँगा. संजय जी मेरी बात सुनिए ना. हिंदी और इंग्लिश में जरा खत्म करो please. So much love, faith, respect, everyone on affection, confidence, belief, right? And what would be the appropriate phase? The kind of relationship where a person can never have a doubt on another person. Beyond doubt, as you say. I say, Shreya, no human relationship would be as strong. No trust would be as strong. No confidence would be as great as the confidence, faith, trust, love, respect, affection that Riya Chakrabarti has for the Mumbai police. Complete confidence in the Mumbai police. Complete and unshakable confidence that Riya Chakrabarti has in the Mumbai police. Parambir Singh, even if the world tells you anything, let me tell you one thing, Parambir Singh. Even if the world calls you incompetent, motivated, biased and prejudiced, don't believe it, Parambir Singh. Because go and tell them, go and tell everyone, go and tell 130 crore Indians today, Parambir Singh. You may say anything about my botched up investigation, but Riya Chakrabarti trusts me. Riya Chakrabarti has tremendous trust in the Mumbai police. Well done, Mumbai police. Surendra Chauhan, yes.
People have got trust and faith.
Riya Chakrabarti has trust in the Mumbai police.
You are carrying a grudge against him. It was the only person who called you in the police station, interrogated you for 20 hours. You are carrying a grudge against him. You are carrying a grudge against him.
I have fought the case in court and won. Hello, which world are you in? I went to the Supreme Court and High Court and won the case.
Truth will be exposed.
You want me to show you the observations of the court? It's another slap in the face of the Mumbai police. I also question the Maharashtra police on Palghar. See the Supreme Court observations today. We are on the side of the truth. I am asking you, Sanjay Gupta ji, Riya Chakrabarti, जो अभी भाग रही है, डर रही है कि कहीं मेरी गिरफ्तारी ना हो जाए, वो मुंबई पुलिस पर इतना विश्वास क्यों है उनका? संजय,
आप रिया चक्रवर्ती को उसके परिवार को दोषी करार दे रहे हैं, अपराध की श्रेणी में ले रहे हैं।
मैं कह रहा हूँ रिया चक्रवर्ती को गिरफ्तार करो।
बिना इन्वेस्टिगेशन के आप चाहते हैं वो भी फांसी पे अटक जाए?
मैं फांसी नहीं, मैं कह रहा हूँ गिरफ्तार करो, कस्टोडियल इंटेरोगेशन। कस्टोडियल इंटेरोगेशन करो।
Arnab Goswami, Riya Chakrabarti got what she wanted.
Ji, I can't hear everyone, please. Shreya, please, Shreya.
I want to ask Mr. Surendra, who's screaming.
Sudhindra, don't scream.
Mr. Surendra, you should, just speak in a more, conducive environment that we can all speak and present our ideas. What I want to say is that you are actually insulting so many of us, so many of audiences and fans of Sushant Singh Rajput all over the world by talking about somebody doing some personal vengeance.
Goswami to increase the volume. I will lower my volume. I will lower my volume if the volume is not decreased. Sorry, they decreased my volume. That's why I shout.
If you don't interject, then your volume will not be there, sir. What I want to say is that by trying to say
I'm not interjecting.
By trying to
raising a question. Madam, with due respect.
Let me speak.
Madam, with due respect.
With due respect, sir, let me speak.
Let her speak. She's asked you 3 times, Surendra. Surendra, don't be impolite. Don't be impolite, Surendra. She's asked you thrice. She has asked you thrice. The debate is an open debate. Yeah.
By diluting this matter of Sushant Singh to a personal vengeance, you are trying to say that millions of his fans and people like us who want justice in his case, you are slapping us on the face. You are trying to make it a story of personal vengeance.
I am also his fan.
So why you saying that somebody is against Mumbai police?
I'm also his fan.
Why you making this between,
listen to me now. You have spoken. Now you have spoken. Grant me 10 seconds.
We want justice for Sushant Singh Rajput. We want the truth to come out. We don't care who is the culprit. We want the culprit. We want all the culprit. Mumbai police for 50 days did not even file a FIR. You know very well it has lost credibility. In 7 days, on 28th of July, Bihar police comes and from 28th we are getting new information.
Let her speak. Surendra, let her finish.
With new information today,
allow me 10 seconds. Allow me 10 seconds.
Can you imagine that if the Bihar police had not stepped in, we would have never come to know anything. We would have only been told that certain narrative and we would have never come out with all that. Just last 9 days have been crucial in the case of Sushant Singh Rajput, and by implying that it is a story of personal vengeance which one person is doing against Mumbai police. You are trying to say, sir, that we are stupid, that the whole of India is stupid. All the millions of fans which have actually made this a people's movement, they are stupid. And this treating us condescendingly is just not done. I would like you to, I would like to say that with this unprecedented thing that CBI has done by registering the case, it has restored our faith in justice.
How it is to be carried out?
No, I think she's spoken her heart out, and I completely agree with you, Shreya. Shreya, 1 minute. Listen, Surendra Chauhan, I want to say one thing. I completely, wholeheartedly agree with her because I think you are trying. 1 minute, Surendra. Surendra, you're not making sense compared to Shreya.
Is not worthy of any cognizance. Do not make it a gala event that CBI has registered an FIR.
I'd like to get Shweta Shalini now on the debate. Ashish, when the Sushant case is open to the CBI, it's game over for all the people, including you. You, who was saying there's no link between Disha and Sushant killing.
I am sorry. I'm only.
You have to be sorry. In fact, I think you should put out a personal apology. The Mumbai police was not investigating whether 28-year-old celebrity manager Disha Salian's death is linked to the death of Sushant Singh Rajput. But is there any doubt that the CBI will? Won't the CBI eventually investigate whether Bollywood stars and one particular politician attended a party that Disha Salian attended, and every single detail of what happened at that party? And since then, and I have on record a person who said that Sushant said, do you remember Jia Khan case? I remember Jia Khan case. That is what happened with the Disha's case. So the CBI probe will lead to the connecting between all the dots, which is Disha and Sushant, and you're nervous for that. I feel sorry for you as well. Shweta.
How do you know what will happen in CBI probe? Are you in charge for CBI investigation?
I'm not.
Because I was here on this debate and you were there with me, and we heard you talk only about jurisdiction. All you people did was talk about jurisdiction, and this is what the Supreme Court did to you. And that is where all of you were wrong. That is the reason why now CBI has finally filed the FIR. Now please note, FIR is first information report. It's not the final information report. So primarily coming over, making personal comments. My question is to you, Ashish, and to Surendra ji. Do you think Riya is so powerful that she can actually govern everything? That police will actually go after saving her? You think Riya is so rich that she will be able to afford the best of the lawyers? Where exactly is she gaining that power from? Think. Please do not scream. These are things important for justice, and what is most important in this, what all and every single person of this country wants is justice for a 34-year-old and a 74-year-old father whose son has died
by Patna
or has been killed.
And consequent investigation by CBI is bad in law. It will have no effect. I'm sorry.
Bad in law? Swapnil is countering Swapnil. You don't know the law. 1 minute. You don't know the law. You don't get ahead of yourself. Swapnil is responding to you, Ashish. Ashish, terrible legal argument.
Ashish, don't heckle me. Ashish, don't heckle me. Listen to me. Ashish, don't heckle me. Now you listen to me. Ashish, don't listen. Ashish, don't heckle me. Now you listen to me. Ashish, don't heckle me. Now you listen to me. Ashish, listen to me.
What is your answer?
Do not give me this nonsense of bad in law. Please listen to me. Please listen to me if you really want to listen to proper answers. Ashish, listen to me. My point is very simple. My question is to Ashish and to Sumit. Wait, listen to me. I've heard your argument.
How can CBI?
He's heard your argument. Ashish, don't repeat. Listen to Swapnil.
Ashish, I've heard your argument. Ashish, I've heard your argument. Don't try to heckle. Don't try to win this argument by shouting. You're not going to be able to do that. Okay, now listen to me. What I'm trying to say is to both you and Sumit.
I'm giving you a legal
argument. No, Arnab is not doing that. Arnab is not doing that. Don't bring Arnab in between. Arnab is not doing that. It's because of him that you are there on this show. Okay, now listen to me. So what I'm trying to say is to both you and Sumit. Very simple question. Very simple question. When does the Supreme Court give only 3 days to a party to file reply? Don't we ask for 7 days? That means it doesn't give any merit, any credence to that party to file a report. It is going to file a sham, third-rate, bogus report, which the Supreme Court is going to take it on record, toss it aside, and give it to the CBI. Now, why does the CBI?
When was the last time?
No, now listen to me.
I have not finished it. Which registered an FIR in another state and referred it to CBI in 3 days.
Listen, Ashish.
No.
Ashish, this.
Has the Supreme Court barred Bihar? Has the Supreme Court barred Bihar?
These are all silly technical arguments they are trying to present. You know, silly technical arguments they are trying to present. That's
stupid arguments.
You know, what does this reveal, Saurabh? What does this reveal? It reveals that the game is over for the depression suicide theory.
Technical argument.
Yeah.
CBI.
Absolutely.
Arnab, they have been peddling these theories. They have been peddling these theories to make sure that the cover-up goes on. Now that the CBI has taken up the case, do you know what will happen? The postmortem report will be reviewed by AIMS. I can tell you what happens. The tower dumps of the towers around that area.
Thank you very much, Ashish. Stop heckling now. I am telling you as well. Please stop. Stop, Ashish. I want to listen to Saurabh. Thank you.
The bosses should be shuddering today. The reality would be now a thorough investigation will happen. This is what the CBI will do. And I can tell you from authoritative sources, post-mortem will be done. The review will be done by doctors and AIMS. Then the truth will come out. They will examine forensic evidence. They will recreate the scene of the crime. You should be worried tonight at what is going to happen. And people who have been backing this cover-up entire story should be having a sleepless night. CBI will not only do that, there is something called a tower dump. Anybody and everybody who was around the vicinity of that particular building will be covered under that. Mumbai police completely ignored these basic facts. All these will be covered by CBI, and don't give this good argument about jurisdiction and all. CBI can always add to it.
Ravi, thank you, Ashish. I heard you. I'll get Ravi and Sumit. Yeah.
This is what is.
Thank you, Ashish. You've taken too much time. Others also, please. Others also, please. All looking stunned. Viewers, I'll tell you, remember it was Mukesh Bhatt, I think, who said that Sushant was a very disturbed soul, and some associate of Mahesh Bhatt said it is Parveen Babi all over again. Then they said Sushant began hearing voices. Remember Shreya? They tried to project Sushant as mad, saying he was hearing voices. Riya got frightened and left. So poor Riya got scared of mentally unstable Sushant was the theory these people were putting, saying that he was unstable. Now the CBI has registered a case against 6 accused. The Mumbai police spokesperson who said he had committed suicide, Mahesh Bhatt, who said the passing of Sushant screams out a message that in an area of mental health we are not equipped to deal with a storm that may erupt right under the ground beneath our feet. Mahesh Bhatt, you defamed Sushant Singh Rajput in that case. Now if this is true, if this is the line of the investigation, Mahesh Bhatt has defamed him. On whose behest? Did Riya Chakrabarti tell you to do that? Mahesh Bhatt, these messages are on whose information? Did you get the information about Sushant from Riya Chakrabarti? The nation wants to know, Mahesh Bhatt. And the CBI probe will mean that all the cover-up attempts to shut the case by registering an accidental death case, AD case, as Shreya said, instead of an FIR, in the Disha Salian case also, without any video recording of the post-mortem, Shweta. No preservation of nail clippings, Shweta. No crime scene visit done by the forensic experts. Nothing, they just closed the case, the Disha case. Now you're all in trouble. You're all in big trouble.
CBI is a aligned agency. CBI is used by the government for fixing people. CBI, ED, IT, they are the most paralyzed people. They are not doing any fair investigation at all. And that's a fact. That many states have kicked out
Shweta, I'm losing your audio. Shreya.
They have kicked out the CBI, kicked out the ED and income tax. They have done it. Not one state, several states. Because they don't have a trust in CBI. You should allow this police to do their work by filing this kind of FIR.
I'm not stopping the police from doing their work. They are stopping themselves.
The trial is not done on the channel.
How have we stopped?
Will be done in the court.
How have we stopped the Mumbai police from doing their work? No, I want this to be argued. How did we stop the Mumbai police? In fact, we've been goading the Mumbai police to do their work.
The justice for neither Disha Salian nor the Sushant Rajput. Why you people are making a political issue out of it?
What's political about calling it a murder? What's political?
What else are you
Shweta.
doing? Mumbai police, 6 months before the Mumbai police was the best police.
It's very clear.
As
soon as Sushant got killed, as soon as Sushant was killed, the entire PR machinery of this entire nexus jumped and tried to prove the mental illness theory. Now please trace it back to the 8th when Disha died. You know what happened? Disha was an employee of a company called Cornerstone. She was managing 5 people. But when she died, the only PR stories that came over between the 8th to the 14th was that Sushant Singh's manager died, jumped off. And that is where they started pushing pressure on Sushant. And this is a complete nexus. Unfortunately, there are a whole lot of people who have been behind this, and their names need to come out. And that is the reason why I think the SIT is going to be very, very crucial, and their role has to be very, very crucial in this entire thing.
They do not want her name to be dragged. They have said it clearly, Shweta Shalini. You should know it.
Oh, please go look at the postmortem. Please go and look at the postmortem report. She was a woman. And unfortunately, in our country, women who are raped and killed don't get justice because of people like you. Ravi ji, please stop this nonsense. She was a woman. She was raped. Go and see her postmortem report. It was delayed for 4 days, and finally when it has come, it has been found that her private parts were injured. She was raped and she was killed. It's unfortunate that we can't give and talk about justice to a young girl. It's only because of people, the large nexus.
How are there multiple injuries on her?
It's shameful.
Why don't you want the Disha case to be opened?
फादर ने भी और फैमिली ने लिख करके दिया था कि हमारे कोई इसमें किसी प्रकार का हमें संदेह नहीं है। वो 45 दिन के बाद में
रवि जी जो इतने कांड कर सकता है हमारे आंख के सामने एविडेंस खत्म कर सकता है। You know how powerful they were. You think they could not get a letter written from Disha's parents? Why was the postmortem delayed? post-mortem report. Why were her private part injured? Come on.
क्या कोरोना टेस्टिंग के लिए डिले हुआ था? मालूम है आपको? रिपोर्ट अवेलेबल है।
आपने फाइनल रिपोर्ट देखी है क्या रवि जी? आपने फाइनल रिपोर्ट देखी है? आप जिसके लिए बोल रहे हैं we want justice for a young girl who was raped and killed. अगर आप कितना
Swapnil is also on the debate with Saurabh.
इन्वेस्टिगेट करवाइए।
You're crossing the line, Ravi.
इन्वेस्टिगेशन होने दीजिए।
Why are you blocking the investigation? What's your interest? Who are you defending?
इन्वेस्टिगेट होने दीजिए।
आपको क्या मालूम है रेप हुआ था? आपको मालूम है क्या? आपने देखा था क्या रेप हुआ है? बकवास कर रही है आप चैनल पे बैठ करके यहाँ।
रवि जी मैंने देखा होगा तो कहा है
हमारी बेटी के बारे में बात मत करिए।
प्लीज माइंड योर वर्ड्स। प्लीज माइंड योर वर्ड्स। आई एम टेकिंग ऑफेंस ऑन दिस।
नहीं पहुंचता कहने
रेप इज नॉट समथिंग दैट यू कैन टेक सो इजीली। I have proof
from both angles. There was no investigation done.
And that's why I use that.
The issue is the investigation was not done in the Disha case, and now the same police is saying that it is up to the people of the city to share the information. The issue is the investigation on the financial trail of Riya was not done. The investigation was not done on Disha's case. That's a fact. Saurabh, you know, all game is over for all attempts to block the truth.
The postmortem was deliberately delayed. Why was it delayed? There is a rule that a postmortem, only in the case of unclaimed bodies, that a postmortem can be delayed for 3 days. In case of people, you have to do an immediate postmortem, because at the end of the day, if you don't do an immediate postmortem, a lot of telltale signs.
And why was the postmortem procedure not videographed so that there's some evidence which remains on that?
A postmortem will be reviewed by AIIMS now. This CBI must make sure the doctors from AIIMS must review this postmortem. Disha Salia's case
Stop shouting, please. Stop shouting. I heard Ashish. Thank you. Please. I'd like Shreya to come in. You did not. I'll tell you what you did not do. Rajat. You did not allow the Bihar police to investigate. You did not allow the Bihar police to speak to the media. You opposed the CBI transfer. You forcibly quarantined an investigating officer. You did not register an FIR. You vehemently opposed the CBI probe. Which means everything that you did, Mumbai police and Maharashtra government could have done to block the truth. They've already done, Rajat.
Arnav, this is where I want to make an important point.
Sanjay, thank you.
Several cases round the year are actually handed over to the CBI. CBI usually takes up lots and lots of cases. I have never seen so much of resistance coming from the state police in any case in the history. Nowhere has the state police taken it so seriously? I don't understand one thing. If it is not political, why is Mumbai police so steadfast of not handing over the case to CBI? I will give you data. The number of cases every year which are handed over to the CBI. Sir, do you even know that? It is a very regular affair. CBI was created exactly for this reason. CBI was created exactly for reasons that for such matters of national importance where the crime or its implication far exceeds the boundaries of the state. Over there, CBI genuinely has a clear case of taking over, and it happens regularly in India. It's not a special thing. CBI takes up so many cases, sir. What I don't understand is why is Mumbai police, under whose political pressure is Mumbai police getting so nervous that they just don't want to hand over the case to CBI? Can't they be gracious enough that there is enough confusion, there is rallying point across the nation, every youth is only tweeting on this topic,
it's a perception created by media.
Still this police is so adamant on continuing to keep all kind of argumentation, all kind of federal argument. Why did Congress create CBI then?
With oblique motive.
Why was created in the first place? It was created specifically for this day, when certain
so you want to suggest that Maharashtra police or state police should be abolished. They should close their offices and all investigations should go to CBI. Are you suggesting so? Are you suggesting that? Are you suggesting that Maharashtra police is incompetent?
I am suggesting nothing.
They should shut
but I will, having listened to all sides, I will only conclude by saying the CBI may have initiated the probe just against 6 accused. But when they pursue the lead,
CBI has
we push out
our faith in the justice system by registering the case. CBI has restored the faith of millions of Sushant Singh Rajput's fans and people who have been doing this people's movement by registering a case. And Mr. Surendra, wait for 3 days. Mumbai police will give its arguments to Supreme Court. Supreme Court will tell us. Supreme Court can give the case to CBI. And Mr. Paryani, Mr. Ravi Srivastava, you are suggesting that in case of unnatural death, we need to get permission from the family to investigate his unnatural death. Do you even know law? Do you know anything about law? How can you even suggest something like this, that in case of unnatural death, you need to get permission from the family? By saying
Ravi,
this, you are showing that you have
no business to insult a woman.
To say something
you
like
cannot
this.
insult a woman.
You cannot.
You cannot insult a woman. You cannot say Disha Salian was raped. How could you say it? How could you say it?
She was, it was not, from the evidence at hand, it was not a normal case of suicide that we can easily surmise. What were the circumstances which led to that are something that we will have to investigate. And I look forward to reporting in more detail on the Disha Salian unnatural death. Lastly, Ravi, Riya is in panic. Why are you?
You said it.
Riya is in panic. Why are you?
That Disha Salian was
Riya is in panic. Why are you? We'll investigate. We will fully investigate Disha's case as well. Ladies and gentlemen, I'll see you tomorrow at 9. Good night and goodbye.